Hi, this is a quick video on how to test your bear spray. First, you want to remove this remove after purchase tab. Okay. Then obviously you're going to be outside in a safe place away from others, and you're going to put your forefinger through this hole here on the handle, and you're going to take your thumb and you're going to remove the safety tab by pulling straight backwards. Then you're going to point the product about a 45-degree angle towards the ground and give it just a very quick tap to the actuator. If it does that, you're in good shape. So then you can take the tab, the safety tab, slide it firmly back onto the canister, and take a paper towel, just give it nozzle a wipe, and you're good to go.